Okay, so we're going to do this question right here, and this is really just a calculator question because it asked me for which one of these equations goes through the x and y intercept. Now I could do it a long way, but I'm going to show you a really cool way just to do this on your calculator because I can easily graph these on my calculator and then I can just see if it goes through these points. So go to y equals and let's graph the first one. -2 minus 4. Be sure you hit the, oh, and I didn't do that right. -2x, this is my x, minus 4. Be sure this is the negative sign and this is the minus, and it does make a difference, so you need to be sure you hit the right one. A minus is where it's going in between. If it's out in front, it's always going to be a negative, not a minus. So then I hit graph, and the graph is good, and I could tell some things. Here, I could say, oh, well, that's crossing at -2 and -4. It's kind of hard to see, kind of looks like maybe. But I can also do the table, which I just love the table. It's this button right here, and I just hit second and table to go to that. And now, the x-intercept is where it's crossing the x-axis here. So it's like this point right here that's at -2, 0, right there. And I can see that on my table as well. If I just scroll up or down with my little arrow keys, -2, 0, that's the x-intercept at -2. And then this one says the y-intercept is at -4. That's 0 and -4. And here I can see that that's -2, that's -4. Let's try one of the other ones. So it's looking like A is the right answer. Let's test one of the other ones. I can also get rid of something. This is a delete key. And the only difference in this equation and that one is just I delete the negative there. So let's just delete it and then hit graph. Oh, is that going through the x-intercept at -2? No, that's going through the x at +2. So it's not B. Let's try C. Let's go back to y equals. I need the negative back here. And look, this is insert, so if I hit second and insert, it'll stick that back in when I hit the negative sign there. And then I need this. I'm going to go over there, and I can just write right over it with a plus. That gives me this one, and I can hit graph. Is that going in the right place? Well, it's giving me a positive on the y. I don't need a positive, I need a negative, so that's not right. It's not C. And then finally, this is a 1/2, and I do see that people get confused on this. So I need a negative. And then here's the only trick. When you put in a fraction like 1/2, I need to put that in parentheses. So I just do 1 divided by 2. There's my fraction. Close the parentheses, x minus 4. And then I graph it and I see, oh, that's not even close to x equals -2. That's way over there. So that's definitely wrong. The right answer is A.